All right, so guys, if you clicked on this one, you're doing a group TIQA. You're going to grab a group of 2 or 3 partners, and then you're going to click on this document here. When you do that, it's going to prompt you to make a copy. So all you need to do is click Make a Copy. And before we do anything else, we're going to click that blue share button here on the corner to make sure that I have access to it. And you're going to type in my email right here. Okay, so it's kallison3@cherrycreekschools.org. You can see that. Then you'll click send. That way I know that I can have access to this, okay? And then you're going to do just what we did with a like. So you're going to pick a prompt, and then you're going to answer it together as a group. It is okay to work together as a group on this one. We need to be collaborative in the way we do that. Your rubric is linked down here in order to help you make sure that you are answering it the way you would like to, okay? When you're done, you're going to get that link one more time. You're going to copy it, and just for good measure, we'll put it back on our assignment page here. Make sure you're using the resources in your notebook as well as the examples that we've written together to complete this.